Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing the third makeup look of this Ramadan series. So without a further ado, let's get started. So to prep my face, I'm using the Face Shop Jeju Aloe Gel. This massager to absorb the gel into my face. So now my face is all prepped up. I'm moving on to foundation. I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 332 Golden Caramel. And I'll be mixing it with the Swiss Beauty Drop and Glow Highlighter in 06 Rose Gold. Step number 2 is filling it in my brows. I'm using the Innisfree eyebrow pencil. So to conceal my dark circles, I'll be using this Makeup Revolution concealer in C11. For blush, I'm using the Maybelline Creamy Cinnamon. This is my all-time favorite. Like, nothing can replace this. It holds a special place in my heart because this is my first first blush. To contour, I'm using this NYX eyeshadow, which is the nude matte eyeshadow in Maybe Later.
Ryan Little. Yoga.
So I have done both of my eyes. Now it's time for mascara. I'll be using the Maybelline Gigi Hadid mascara, and I'll be only applying the one side of it. I'm not gonna apply the fiber part because I'm going nowhere and I don't want to waste it, because it is a limited edition and it's not available anymore. eyeshadow which we use it for contouring our face, I'll be contouring my nose now. You must be careful because it's a cool tone contouring, eyeshadow, and it might get patchy and dark. And to highlight my face, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Broken Highlighter. And for lipstick, I'm using the NYX Professional Soft Matte Lip Cream in Frog. So I guess this is pretty much for the look, and this is for the simple people who wants the bold pinky lipstick and a little shimmer on the eyes and liner, of course. I don't usually wear eyeliners or kajal. You guys must have known me, but I gotta do this. So I'll be back wearing my jewelry. I think I want to wear fake lashes. Do I need to? Jack, what do you think? I need to wear eyelashes? Okay, I'll be back with my... So this is the final result of the third look of my Eid series, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did creating it, and let me know what else do you want to see on my channel, and I'll be thankful and grateful for all your love and support. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to hit the bell icon and take a close up. And I know and I obviously know I'm gonna get many requests on this hijab look. This is very elegant. So, and if you want, I'll be doing this video also on this hijab look. And next video, till then, take care. Bye.